Welcome to the Essence Lecture. What is essence? It is a great mystery to mankind. Even though everyone feels that essence is extremely important, neither schools nor companies teach what essence is. In this lecture, we will think about the world of essence deeply, broadly, and correctly. My name is Hironobu Yokota. After working as an in-house consultant at Sony, I held key positions at several global consulting firms before going independent. I'm an author of a 100,000-copy best-selling business book and also a member of the Philosophy of Science Society, Japan. In addition, I have developed a training program called Essential Innovation Training. This training program has already been introduced in over 100 of Japan's leading international companies. And it has been praised as the world's best thinking training. And this lecture is a recompilation of this training as an online lecture. The entire lecture consists of 10 courses across 3 areas: think deeply, think broadly, and think correctly. Each course section will explore a theme like the one shown. Among these, the second course, this course, is Think Deeply, Value and Product course. Throughout this course, you will encounter many ways of thinking that are completely different from conventional common sense. However, all these ideas have been derived scientifically and logically. To maximize your results from this course, I recommend that you try to discard as many of the stereotypes that we all tend to unconsciously trap ourselves in while taking the lecture. By thoroughly and repeatedly engaging in essential and logical considerations throughout the lecture, you will acquire overwhelming essential and advanced logical thinking abilities, as well as the status of a rare individual who can logically understand what essence is. In addition, as you consider value and business, you will also acquire futuristic insights into marketing. These will lead to the acquisition of extraordinary value creation capabilities and even the ability to generate disruptive innovation. As a result, you will also acquire futuristic insights into formal science, the third scientific field after natural science and social science. These insights will have the effect of further raising your overall thinking level.